I was inspired by the shirt I saw. And I was like, I wonder, does this style come in any type of other design, or what other variations of this can I find? And I can't find anything. Basically, what I was looking for was like something more colorful, and I couldn't find it. So there's only one thing left for me to do, and that's to DIY it. So I bought a sweatshirt on Walmart, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me of my DIY. So this is the sweatshirt. I really was looking for like a colorful sweater in general, and I couldn't find that. Well, I was going to thrift it. We're balling on a budget here. So I was going to thrift it and I couldn't find one. So this was my next idea. So this is a sweatshirt, and it's a men's extra large. I've washed it and I've dried it, and I think it might have shrunk. So let's try it on. Okay, so yeah, I didn't try it on in store. I just held it up to myself, and it seemed like the sleeves were a little bit longer and it covered my butt a little bit more. But I don't think that's the case now. Now it fits more so like a women's large versus a men's extra large, but this will not deter me from my goal. I'm gonna still give it a try, and I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do, and y'all tell me if y'all like it. Well, it don't matter if you like it or not. I'm still gonna rock with it. So let's go. Okay, so here's what I've come up with. I've only placed them. I haven't glued them on. Um, I was just picking them out as placing them as I picked them out. And then I realized I had more thicker pieces than I thought throughout, and they came in different colors. So I just went through them all and I rearranged some of them. But yeah. So I had to stop when I was done. When I got done placing them, I was like, is this too childish? Is this too kitty-ish? And I went and asked my husband, and he was like, kiddish to who? He's like, I don't get it, first of all. He said, are you supposed to be a Christmas tree? I'm like, no. I just wanted something colorful. And he was like, do you care what other people think? And I don't, but I had this second thought in my mind that it looked kitty-ish. So like too DIY-ish, I guess. But I've gotten this far. Might as well keep going, right? So I'm gonna keep going. Okay, 24 hours later, and the glue has cured and the shirt is complete. This is it. What do we think? Let me try it on. Thank you. So it's Chloe approved. I like it. It's definitely different. I don't know if it's how I imagined it, but I'm pleased. But as I was sitting here before I recorded this video, it made me think of something. Hold on. Look at these. I didn't forget I had these boots, but it just dawned on me, like looking at this and that. I recording with kids. I don't plan on wearing these together, but who knows? For a different outfit, I might. But aren't they cute? Is it giving vintage? Is it giving grandma sweater? Mm, but I'm pleased. I plan on styling this a different way, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you being here. Until next time, bye, y'all. Good morning. It is the day after the Usher concert. I wore this last night and I do plan on washing it, but one thing I didn't do, I didn't say I made this in a rush, but when I was placing my rhinestones, I was in a hurry because we had somewhere else to go. So, and when I first started placing them, I did not like put glue all the way on the edge of some of these. Like, I don't know if you can see that little bit of an edge. I really wish I had a syringe for the glue. It's not a lot of them, but it's a few. But what I am going to do is like make sure it's glued all the way to the edge before I wash this, because I believe in washing my things. I don't know if I'm going to hand wash or just put it in the washer, or maybe just put it on gentle cycle. But I'll put it in my stories or my shorts to show if anything came off. And I'm not saying this is gonna be soon. I'm gonna do this soon, just FYI. But yeah, I got so many compliments last night, and I mentioned earlier how I was feeling self-conscious, like I thought it was like too kiddie, but I think it's how I styled it. Okay, look, I'm not a fashion girly. I don't claim to know the trends or what's gonna be a hit or not, but I'm glad I stuck with my gut on this one because I got so many compliments. And yeah, so okay, that's all for real now.